Prime Minister Narendra Modi today launched the Odisha government's flagship women-centric initiative, Subhadra Yojana, besides other railway and national highway projects. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has extended greetings to the citizens on the occasion of Vishwakarma Jayanti. Union Home Minister Amit Shah claims projects worth 15 lakhs crore rupees initiated in first 100 days of third term of Modi government. Aam Aadmi Party today announced that senior party leader Atishi will be the new Chief Minister of Delhi. In the Asian Champions Trophy 2024, India will face host China in the final at Hulunbury, China today.